In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect SurveyMonkey with Mailchimp. Before we begin, make sure you can sign in to both your Mailchimp and SurveyMonkey accounts and that you have the right permissions to connect apps. This integration will let you sync survey responses or contacts from SurveyMonkey directly into a Mailchimp audience, so you can follow up with targeted emails or segment your list based on answers. Start by logging in to your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click Integrations. This takes you to the Connect Apps and Integrations page, where you can browse tools that work with Mailchimp. In the search bar at the top of the page, type SurveyMonkey. When you see the SurveyMonkey integration appear in the results, click it to open the integration details. Here you'll find a quick summary of what the connection does, along with any permissions it needs. When you're ready, click Connect to start the integration. A new window will open, prompting you to sign in to your SurveyMonkey account. Enter your login details and sign in as you normally would. If you use multi-factor authentication, complete that step as well. When SurveyMonkey asks whether to allow Mailchimp to access your account, click Authorize or Allow. This permission is required so Mailchimp can read the surveys you select and sync responses or contacts into your audience. After authorization, you'll be returned to Mailchimp to finish setup. Here, choose the Mailchimp audience where you want data from SurveyMonkey to sync. Think of your audience as the destination list for new contacts or updated profile information. If you're unsure which audience to use, pick the one you actively email and keep your segmentation rules in mind. Next, select the specific survey you want to connect. You can only sync data from the survey you choose, so confirm you've picked the right one, especially if you have multiple versions or drafts. When everything looks correct, click Save or Finish Setup to complete the integration. Mailchimp will confirm the connection and begin syncing based on your selections. If you don't see data right away, give it a little time, then refresh. Also, make sure your survey is collecting responses and that you have permission from respondents to email them. That's it. You've connected SurveyMonkey with Mailchimp, chosen your audience, selected your survey, and finalized the setup. Now you can use your survey data to power smarter email campaigns and better segmentation.